Wait, before you click away from this video, those words could seriously be the definition of the word exit pops. The truth is that not everyone's going to opt in to your lead capture page. So you might send 100 people to your capture page, and if you have a pretty good capture page, you might get 40 leads out of the 100 visitors. So what about the other 60? Well, wouldn't you like to monetize or get some money or some traffic and point them to a different offer rather than just have those 60 people leave and never come back? That's basically just wasting money, right? So in this video, I'll show you how to use exit pops to make the most of that traffic that would just leave your site. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. Now, in face-to-face situations, we have an opportunity to stop a potential customer before they've left our store or physical location. We have an opportunity to give them an offer before leaving without buying. For example, a salesperson might see that a customer is interested in a particular item and offer a one-time discount on their purchase, a free trial, buy one, get one free, or free trial, free item with the purchase, etc. Now, because our websites and funnels don't have salespeople at the front door to greet each customer, exit pops give you an online tool you can use for the same impact. Exit pops are used to encourage potential customers to make a purchase, or at the very least, sign up for future offers before leaving your sales funnel. Now, in the early days of the internet, pop-ups were annoying. I think they were the worst thing about the internet. And as if dial-up internet wasn't slow enough, the pop-ups would open up browser window after browser window with useless info, just slowing your internet speed down to a crawl. They became so annoying that to combat the amount of pop-ups, an entire pop-up blocker industry was born. Now, thankfully now, all internet browsers are equipped with heavy-duty pop-up blockers. Now, as you can see from the video, exit pops are non-invasive, non-intrusive, non-annoying, and a lot of times are barely noticeable. I also find them very effective because I've been able to get as high as a 25% click-through rate using exit pops. Now, this raises my overall conversion rate dramatically. Now, when I began building my exit pop arsenal, I researched hundreds of exit pops in multiple industries. From those hundreds, I condensed them down to a PDF that I refer to often, titled The 25 Best Examples of Exit Pops. What makes them the best? Well, I'm a tough cookie when it comes to exit pops, and they made me click to join. So you can access the full PDF with these exit pops inside of our membership area. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.